welcome to my video series on how to knit. Today is actually the last in my current series of knitting school, and we're going to look at how to string up your bunting so that it looks like this. Here we go. So to do this, you need some twine or some nylon thread, or you can just use some of your wool. You also need a tapestry needle and some scissors. Grab one of your triangles and make sure you have the wrong side facing you. This is the side where we wove in all the ends, so we want to add the string to this side rather than the front. Thread your tapestry needle and we'll be weaving your string along the first row of your triangle by bringing your needle up and down under the stitches along this row. This is done like this. Go up under the first stitch and down under the second, and repeat this all the way along the row, making sure you're going in a straight line. When you get to the end of the row, it should look like this, and you'll see that this is completely invisible from the front of your bunting. You can pull the string and move your triangle out of the way, ready to start the next one. Add your triangles one by one in this way, moving them along the string as you go. Try to make sure you are bringing your tapestry needle completely under the stitch and not splitting it or piercing it through the middle. Bring your needle right under it, and this will make sure you can easily slide your triangles along the string as you go. Keep adding your triangles until they are all on the string. I really hope you've enjoyed learning how to knit. We have covered so many things, right from casting on to casting off, and I hope that these things will be really useful for any future knitting projects. I would love to do another one of these. Hit me with some suggestions of what kind of project you'd like to do next. That would be amazing. If you finished your bunting, I would absolutely love to see, so please do tag me at buttonandblue on Instagram. Thank you so much for joining in, and see you again soon. Bye! Recording. Shall I just start? Yeah, okay. Hey. Hi, I'm Amy and this is my assistant,
Alana.
And we are just checking in to see how it's going.
My robot!
Anything else to say?
You can do yours whatever colour you like. Mine's going to be blue and your picture. Take your picture. Take your